of the world right now.
It's the forest, and it is tropical. It's the most diverse biome on Earth. Younger basin, lots of precipitation, and temperatures, so there's no need for fur.
Yo, Miss Leach, first period. I'm about to go in. Yo, first period. Wake up and pay attention to this type of forest that we're about to mention. Toucans, stick bugs, and all of these live under the shelter of 100-foot trees. These animals, including poison arrow frogs, have certain adaptations that help them live long. Toucans develop large, strong beaks to crack open various nuts that they can't see. Living safe as in stick bugs' destiny by using camouflage to hide from its enemies. Poison arrow frogs are certain colors of the rainbow, using the bright colors to warn off their foe. Rainforest, 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 rainforest. Hey, there's so much to learn about the tropical forest, so I recommend you become a tourist. There's little sunshine under the trees. The average temperature is 75 degrees, along with warm temperature within the trees. There's 77 to 88% humidity. Large jungles where the wild things grow. They're found from in the Amazon to the Borneo. In the forest there is low soil fertility. Warm climate and a lot of water both increase activity. Just like the animals, the plants adapt to survive. They possess traits that help them to stay alive. Liana is a vine that grows on a rainforest tree. Because of this it gets more sunlight for its leaves. The strangler fig is the furthest thing from gentle. Its long roots suffocate trees to avoid competition at ground level. Oh, because bromeliads grow on trees, they look to the air and water as a source of food and necessities. Rainforest, 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 rainforest. Let's see what others think about the tropical rainforest. So, AJ, when you hear the word tropical forest, what comes to mind?
Bugs, insects, my love for trees.
Very good answer, AJ. Hey, Eric, what's your favorite type of forest?
My favorite forest is tropical forest.
Good choice!
I make it rain on them. I make it rain. I make it rain on them. I make it rain. I make it rain on them. Clap, clap, clap. Gotta make that. Clap, gotta make that. Clap, 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 clap. Yeah, clap. Gotta make that. Clap.
Fun facts, yay!
You ready for a fun little fact, Brooke?
Yes, Anians, enlighten me.
The tropical forest is actually one of the most biodiverse in the world, as well as the coral reef.
No way.
Yes.
How did you learn that?
From my favorite teacher, Miss Leach. Shout out!
You know, jellyfish can be found in the coral reef. This jellyfish is jamming.
180 gains. I have a fact for you guys.
Yes, Brooke?
Hear it.
Did you know that each second an area of the rainforest the size of a football field is being destroyed?
No!
Not the rainforest. That's terrible. Today, I am here with my friend Curious George, who is an inhabitant of the tropical forest. So curious, I was wondering, what does your diet consist of in the tropical forest?
Well, some monkeys, including myself, are omnivores, meaning we eat both plants and animals.
Oh, that's very fascinating.
I don't know about anyone else, but tropical forests are just about the coolest things I've ever learned about in my life. What do you think?
Watching against fall.
The forest
It's tropical.
It's the most diverse biome on Earth. In the Congo Basin, lots of precipitation, warm and humid temperatures, so no need for fur.
I'm gonna die.
Oh my god.
Okay.